In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the H&R Block tax software. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is create an account on their official website of H&R Block. And after you do it and then put in all your information needed for your account, of course, you'll have to put in your phone number and your email. And after that, you will be able to see this screen over here once you confirm your account. So it's going to say good afternoon or whatever. And then from here, you can see different tabs. So you have the home tab, where you can basically see your different things over here. So you can start or continue taxes. On this screen, you can find all your returns and check upcoming appointments over here with clicking get started. You can see how to get an Emerald card, and you can also add it. And you can, as you can see over here, you can send a friend. Basically, you can get up to $300 with a little help from your friends over here. So it's basically a referral program they have going on, as well as some articles over here that you can read anytime you want. From here, you also have a second screen which is called taxes, and if you click taxes, you can see your tax returns and you can prepare for next year as well if you want to via this button over here. Now, over here, you also have your tax estimator, so you can basically see how you can get a bigger return next year or the refund, and via that, you can of course calculate everything. Now, on here, again, you have some articles, and over here, you can see some help in case you received an IRS letter. You can see they can solve it, and you can click Get Help, and they will help you out. So from here, you can also go to Finances, and on this screen under Finances, you can basically explore their different financing options, and you can go to Documents, where inside here will be all your documents for the previous years. As you can see right now, there's documents up there from 2019 all the way up to 2025, which is right now. But for me, I have no documents in this profile because it's just the one I created so I can show you this tutorial. Over here, you can also get help if you want to by clicking help, and you can then get your support using their frequently asked questions. You can use their help center, or you can contact them and provide feedback via these two forms. You can also go to your account, and if you click on that, you will see all your different details over here, as well as your security settings and your different agreements, and you can sign out of your account if you want to as well. Now, what you can also do is, of course, the main part, which is filing taxes. Now, you want to go to Home tab or the Taxes tab, and from here, you'll be able to start your return, your tax return. So for me, I already started this, and you're going to see a button which is going to say Start your tax return, or Start or File your taxes, or something along those lines. You just want to click that, and it's going to take you to another site. So over here, I'm going to press Continue because I already started. And in just a second over here, when this loads, you'll see you'll be in another website. Now, sometimes it may ask you to log in again. If it does, just log in with your username and password, and you should see a similar screen to this one over here. First, it's going to ask you some questions, so it's going to be some basic questions. Just answer those, and then you'll be able to basically start your tax return and start filing your taxes. Once you do this, you'll first have to put in your information, so your basic info, such as your name, surname, your address, zip code, and your basically different tax information. And after you do that, you'll be able to continue with different things. So let me just show you how this looks like. So after you put in your info, you will get a screen which looks like this over here, and you can go to Continue Taxes, and I'm going to go to the last screen I completed. And this is basically kind of your main dashboard over here, where your info is going to be in here. You can then add in your income, your deductions, credits, taxes, and see the wrap up. So what you have to do from here is actually pretty straightforward. You just want to go ahead and basically do what it says on your screen. Just put in all your real information, double check if everything is correct, and then keep on clicking next and answering different questions until you come to the very end, where you can then see the wrap up, review everything, and if it's correct, you can then sign it and get your tax return ready. So that's pretty much how you use H&R Block to file taxes or to get your tax return. And you can also see your previous taxes here on the left. So as you can see, the first thing up here is going to be your tax year. You can see the federal return over here, how much that is. And you can also see the previous taxes from previous years. So for me, I haven't really completed it via this software or this account. However, if you did, you'll be able to see it over here. You can go to your My Block account, and you can see your account settings in here, as well as send feedback. Now, You can also use this help center over here where they basically give you and provide many different information, so you can watch different videos, get agent help, have a tax pro double check, sign and file your tax return, or you can go to assistant over here, ask a tax question, ask about billing and products, or ask a different question if you want to. So they have all this available, as well as different forms over here. So let's say you do 1099, you press enter, and you'll have a bunch of different results over here. You can go to forms, so by clicking those links you will basically quickly go to the form that is said on the link, and you can load more results for different tips and tricks and basically information, answers to different questions. Also over here, if you want to upgrade to plus because you need to, for some reason you want to click upgrade to plus over here, and then you'll be able to upgrade to plus in case you need the plus assistance over here and the features it offers. Otherwise, you can continue via free version over here. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.